Currently changing an alternator on a 2003 Jeep Liberty. First you want to, so down here there is a 15 millimeter bolt. I'm trying to focus it. So there's a 15 millimeter bolt here. So we're gonna start by taking that off. I've already already got the belt off. This is the belt to the alternator. It's rough idling, so I done changed everything else, so I'm assuming it's the alternator. It looks really old, honestly. So we're gonna see if this works. Now we're gonna remove the 12 millimeter cable that's on your battery on this side. You should be able to never worry about shocking yourself if you're doing all right. Okay, baby. All right, so now I'm behind the alternator. So there's a tab here that you want to press. You just press that in and it should come right on there. Hold on. It's hard to get in there, boy. That's why I hate these Jeeps. Can't even get to the tab. You know what? All right, so I had to take my gloves off because I really couldn't get in there. So now you're gonna take this boot off here. It's just a tab here. It's just a tab here. Now, exposed will be, it's actually a grounding wire that's underneath this bolt right here. Let me see. I believe that is a 13. I have a ratchet, what you call it, that loosens it up for me. Don't be scared to touch it. You know what I mean? Like if you get shocked, well, you'll still live to tell the tale. It'll hurt a little bit, baby, but you'll still live to tell the tale. So you're gonna take this part off. Want to make sure you're keeping track of your bolts and stuff. So now you can see the grounding wire that's in there. I'm just making sure that you guys can see that nice and clear. It's gonna come right on up. Make sure that it does not touch anything, because it will get shocked. Don't never let them tell you can't do it, girl. Don't never let them tell you can't do it. Don't ever let them tell you you can't do it, baby. Whew. Focus. Girl, this camera, come on now. Now listen. After hours of turning and turning, so this is gonna be 13 millimeter. And then there's gonna be this 15 meter bolt, this big bad boy here. Gonna point to it right there. Then there's another one here up under this belt right there. You're gonna take both of those bad boys off, and then that's it. So, son of a gun, they sent me the wrong alternator. Like, what? Everything is mounted completely wrong. I'm guessing it was for the newer Liberties. Tell you something, you always gotta do the moment of truth. All right. So as usual, no lights on the dash. So I fixed, I think what was like the idling issue was kind of idle roughing, but idle roughing, I don't know what the fuck I just said. Idling roughly. And sometimes the lights would flicker a little bit, so still does it a little bit when I turn the headlights on. So it could be a slight electrical issue, otherwise no biggie. She still runs perfectly strong. So you know, just gonna do a couple things to her. Don't know whether I'm selling her or not, but I'm just trying to make sure she's running steady. All right, we are in great shape. Belt's running fine. All right. This car is gonna be brand new by the time I'm finished with it. Like you will not find a cleaner Jeep Liberty. I mean,